Tonight, an I-Team exclusive, an Uber driver removed from that ride-sharing service. His records exposed, Uber's background checks failing to catch past crimes and traffic violations. ABC 7 consumer investigative reporter Jason Knowles uncovered the records. Jason.
And we easily found those records. Uber tells me it approves 10,000 drivers a year, and hundreds of them get rejected after lengthy criminal and traffic background checks. But the I-Team found that one Illinois Uber driver with a history of trouble managed to slip through the cracks. Spokespeople at Uber's Illinois offices in Chicago calling it an oversight, investigating how this man, 29-year-old Adam R. Stevenson of Springfield, managed to be approved to drive an UberX. The I-Team received a tip about his failed background check after he was arrested a few weeks ago downstate for allegedly exposing himself to a female passenger. Stevenson has not yet been charged in the recent incident, but he has been removed from the Uber platform. The I-Team discovered that Stevenson has other violations, which Uber says should have prevented him from being hired. Sangamon County court records show in 2011 he disregarded a traffic light. June 2012, he faced a misdemeanor battery charge and was given supervision with 200 hours of public service. July 2012, his wife filed an emergency order of protection against him, which was eventually vacated. June of 2013, supervision given for driving 15 to 20 miles over the speed limit. And a judge ordered supervision again in August 2013 for possession of cannabis. Stevenson does not have a public defender or an attorney on file, but his wife told us he was declining comment. Uber managers also declined to go on camera, but said this individual should not have had access to the platform. When we learned of his record, he was immediately deactivated. We've launched an investigation to get to the bottom of this and ensure this error doesn't happen again. In February, Uber managers gave me an exclusive look behind the scenes, showing me their background check process. Information run through an Uber portal, which feeds to a centralized security team in North Carolina.
We're doing our due diligence to ensure that our background checks are the strongest in the industry.
Uber says it stretches back 7 years, running names through a multi-state database, then searching county and federal court records. Currently, rideshare background checks are required by state and city laws, but there is no direct oversight. In Chicago, reps from the cab industry and some aldermen are currently pushing for even more regulation. Ron and Kathy, they want those Uber drivers to be vetted more like cab and limo drivers.
All right, thanks very much.